Welcome to Somfy's Troubleshooting video series. In this video, we will offer the most common solutions if your RTS motor does not respond. Press and hold My for 8 seconds. The light should blink the entire time. If not, replace the CR2430 battery. If it does, continue to the next step. Unplug the motor and plug it back in. Test to see if this restored operation. If not, continue to the next step. Check power at the quick connect, outlet, or power source. If there is power present, continue to the next step. Plug the motor into a different outlet. If this does not help, continue to the next step. For motors with mechanical push-button limits, reset by pressing them in. Check the motor again. If the motor responds, set the limits. If it does not respond, continue to the next step. Press up and down at the same time. If the motor jogs, unplug it, plug it back in, and refer to the related programming video. If it does not jog, continue to the next step. A jog is a brief in and out movement of your motorized product. Try to reset the motor to factory mode. Unplug it for 2 seconds. Plug it back in for 10 seconds. Unplug it for 2 more seconds, and then plug it back in. The motor should move. If it does not, repeat the 2-10-2 power cut. It is important to carefully count the amount of time for each step. After the motor moves, wait 5 seconds, and then press and hold the program button on the back of the remote and slowly count to 15 without letting go. If this works, refer to the related product programming video. If the motor does not respond, continue to the next step. The motor may be in thermal shutdown. It takes about 15 minutes for it to cool down and restore operation. After this time, you can begin to troubleshoot from the beginning of this video. Please contact your product manufacturer or Somfy at 1-800-22-SOMFY if you need further assistance.